Akhil Srivastava, teaching you maths of class 10th NCERT, trigonometry chapter. In the introduction to trigonometry chapter 8, exercise 8.1. Previous lecture I have told you the some examples. Here exercise 8.1, question number 1 is given. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. AB equal to 24 centimeter and BC 7. Find sin A cos A, sin C cos C. Two questions are given. First of all, you will draw the figure. One triangle you will draw. What is given? A, B, C, B 90. So you write here B 90 and C is here. In this, what is given? AB 24 centimeter. And what is given? BC 7 centimeter. So first of all, because sin and cos you want, you find out hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. What will you get? AB square is 24 square plus 7 square. So you will find out 576 plus 49. 476 plus 49, what will you get? 625. 25 you will multiply, you will get the 24 ja 576 plus 49. What are you getting? 625. It is the AC square. Then what is the AC? Under root 625, that is 25 centimeter. So you are getting it 25 centimeter. Now your question is sin A cos A. Sin A cos A, first part. For sin A means you write down one relation I have told you, PBP, Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bole. With the relation this, you can get sin cos tan. Sin P upon H, cos V upon H, tan. So sin and cos you want. H. What is the H? 25. What is the far angle A? Far angle A, what is the perpendicular? Perpendicular will be 7 centimeter and hypotenuse is equal to 25. Far angle A, it is the perpendicular, opposite side of A. So sin A is equal to P by H. What is the P? P is your BC by AC, that is 7 upon 25. Cos A, what is the cos A? Cos A is equal to base. A for A, here what is the base? You can write here also base is equal to 24. For angle A, base will be adjacent side. So B upon H. B upon H means your AB upon AC, that will be 24 upon 25. It is your second part is given. In the second part, what is given? Sin C and cos C you want. Sin C is equal to far angle C. First of all you write far angle C, again P by H. But what is the P for C? This angle you are taking, then perpendicular will be AB and hypotenuse is same, then 24 upon 25. It is the answer of sin C. Angle is changed, then perpendicular and base will be also changed. You will get very important thing. For A perpendicular, opposite side is C. For angle C, opposite side is AB. So AB is 24 and cos C will be B by H. What is the base? For angle C, base will be 7. Means that is BC upon AC and you will get 7 upon 25. You are getting the two answers. One is this for this, and here both you are getting. Just opposite. What is sin A? That will be cos C. In the case this. Question number 2. In the question number 2, what is given? In figure PQR, Q is 90 given. You want to find out tan P and cot R. What you want to find out? You want to find out tan P and cot R. So how will you do it? First of all, you find out the values. What value you find out? You will find out this you want to P. Tan P means you want QR. So first of all you apply the Pythagoras. By Pythagoras, PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square. Then what is the PQ square? 12 square plus QR square is equal to 13 square. So QR square is equal to 169 minus 144. 12 square is, so you are getting 25. So QR is equal to under root 25 gives you 5. Now you are getting QR is also 5 centimeter. Every angles. So first of all you find out tan P. Tan P means in the Pandit Badri Prasad Harar bole, P upon B is the tan. So P upon B you write down. For angle P, perpendicular is QR. For angle P, perpendicular will be QR. Why? Because opposite side is always perpendicular. So, and base will be PQ. It means 5 by 12. For cot R, angle is change. If angle is change, cot means base upon perpendicular. What is the base? In the angle is change, your base will be changed. And what is the cot? By Pandit Badri Prasad Harar bole, base is this. So it will be B by P. B by P, but angle R is here, so base will be QR. Again, QR upon PQ. So what is the QR upon PQ? That is 5 by 12. Both are 5 by 12. Very important things. Tan P and cot R. Both are same answer you are getting, but trigonometric ratios are different. For the tan P, perpendicular is QR. For the cot R, angle R is there. So the perpendicular base will be QR. Perpendicular is PQ. Now therefore, tan P minus cot R is equal to 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12. What is your answer? 0. Like this you will get the question number 3. If tan A is 3 by 4. What is given the question number 3? If tan A is 3 by 4. Third question. If tan A is equal to 3 by 4. You want to find out cos A and tan A. Sin A is equal to, not tan A. Third question is given, sin A is equal to 3 by 4. The question is given in the book. Sin A is equal to 3 by 4. Calculate the cos A and tan A. Third question. So it is given A. It means there is a right triangle in which A is the acute angle. First of all. What is A? B may be acute right and C is there. So it is called the P by H. What is called? Sin A is equal to P by H. So let P is equal to 3K and H is equal to 4K. For angle A, P means this is 3K and hypotenuse is fixed there 4K. Perpendicular and hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras, what will you find out? AC square plus AB square, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. 4K square is equal to 3K square plus BC square is 3K square plus AB square. At the place of BC you are writing 3K. So 4 4 just 16K square minus 9K square is equal to AB square. You can write without K also, because in the ratios this proportionally constant will be cancelled. So if you want directly also you can do. So very carefully you will do. So what will you get here? 7K square is equal to AB square. Sin A is given. You want to find out cos A and tan A. So first of all 16 minus 3. 9. So AB square is equal to under root 7k square, that will be k under root 7. K under root 7 is your this. If it is k under root 7, then what is the k under root 7 you are getting here? AB. Now, what you want to find out here? Cos A. What is the cos A? Cos A is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Base for the cos A, base is AB and AC. So what is the base you are getting? K root 7 upon AC is 4k. So again k cancel, what are you getting? Root 7 by 4. Next one is given tan A also. What do you want? Tan A. Tan A is equal to perpendicular upon base. For angle A, perpendicular is BC and base is AB. So perpendicular means 3k by k root 7. Again k cancel, what are you getting? 3 root 7. So there is a two answer, root 7 by 4 and 3 upon root 7 you are getting. By this you can solve the other questions also. Question number 4 is given. Question number 4. See the question number 4. What is the question number 4 is given in your book? If hello, if 4a you are getting